In this lesson, we will cover questions from Unit 2, Section 2.1, the tangent ratio. Question 1. Which ratio represents tan angle A? So let's look at the tangent ratio. Tangent ratio is the opposite over adjacent sides. So since we're talking about angle A, we can put our theta here for angle A and label our sides first. So we need the opposite and adjacent side. We don't need the hypotenuse. So 25 is not being used. So anything with a 25 we can get rid of. So 7 divided by 25 and 24 divided by 25, 25 divided by 24. So our appropriate answer here, of course, will be D, but why is it D? Opposite over adjacent. So tan A equals 24, which is our opposite side, divided by our adjacent. So our answer here will be D. Question 2, determine the measure of all missing angles. So first of all, we are given a 90-degree triangle, a right triangle. We need to find angle F first. So angle F is labeled here, so we can get started. So we can label that theta if we want. So we're given opposite 3.5 centimeters and our hypotenuse is 5.9 centimeters. So right now we can't use the tan ratio yet. We actually have to go and find our third side. So we're going to do that using our Pythagorean Theorem. So 5.9 squared equals 3.5 squared plus our other leg squared. So what we have to do now is 5.9 squared. So we have 5.9 times 5.9, and that will give us 34.81. And then we have 3.5 times 3.5, and that will give us 12.25 plus L squared. And now we have to subtract both sides with 12.25. And that will result in 22.56. And that will equal to our leg squared. We're going to take the square root of both sides. And we're going to get a leg approximately equal to 4.7 centimeters. So now we can carry on and use the tangent ratio to find our angle F. So angle F will have opposite first. So tan theta is going to be equal to 3.5 divided by 4.7. So tan theta equals 3.5 divided by 4.7, and that is going to give us 0.7446, and that's going to keep going on. It's going to be 6808. So now we have to use the inverse tan function in order to find our theta. So we get 0.7447 I'm going to round up because that was an 8 equals theta. And now we have to go the inverse function of tan 0.7447, and our answer will be 37 degrees. Now we have to go and find angle E, and that will be 180, subtract 90, subtract 37. So we'll have 180 subtract 90, which is 90, subtract 37, which will give us 53 degrees.